Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a system chip in Subnautica 2. Now, over on your fabricator, and make sure this is the fully functional one, because I don't think you can make a system chip by using the fabricator on the life pod. A system chip will require a wiring kit and 2 pieces of quartz for you to craft it. But first, you need to know how you can unlock the recipe for it. To unlock the recipe, it's actually quite simple really. You just have to make the copper wire first, which unlocks the wiring kit's recipe. And if you craft the wiring kit as well, you will then unlock the recipe for both the advanced wiring kit and the system chip, basically killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The only trouble really that you'll have when it comes to getting the materials will be the silver, since it's quite a distance away from the life pod. At about 200 meters north is where you can find them inside a cave. But if you really want an in-depth guide on it, we do have a video on it in the channel, so you might want to check it out. Anyway, with all that said and done, as long as you now have all the materials, you can now craft the system chip, and that's about it on how to make a system chip in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.